Katulugon man ko lang. Tulog sa ta.
Okay, you can go to sleep if you want.
Yeah, but you have to eat though. Magkaon diha kay. Hugawa sa mong kamot, uy.
That's okay, Mommy. That's okay.
But, kasi okay. Kasi rin, gibuhat mo sa eskwelahan di ay, nga nung hugaw man na imong kamot. Imong tudlo, imong kuko. Nga nung hugaw man na.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Wakas sa eskwelahan di ay?
Haha, I don't.
Nga nung wa makakabalo. Wala ka sa eskwelahan. Asa man di ka tibok adlaw di ay?
Huh?
Asa man di ka tibok adlaw? Nga nung wa makakabalo nga nung hugaw na imong kuhaan kuko. Ha?
Probably it's from that food.
Kasi from that food. Kaya nga, nagkinamot kasi mong food. Nagkutsara man ka. Asa day kagikan. Nga nung hugaw man na imong kuko.
I went to school.
Oh, really? Na, makuan din na day. Mahugaw din na imong kuko sa sulod sa eskwelahan di ay.
Yeah, Mommy.
Nang usa ka nang dula ka no?
Mm-hmm.
Ko, tell me the truth. Unsa imong gidulaan dito?
It probably from lunchtime and I was eating the Nutella on the bread.
Pag sure ba?
Yeah, that's where I got my dirty mask from.
Dirty mask? Anong nahugaw man pud ang mask pagtaraw? Kaya nga no, ang mask nagdula-dula pud ang mask? Pag sure.
Because it was, I was eating Nutella.
Mhm.
On the
Unya,
bread.
giapil nimo ang mask ug kaon? Unsa man? Apil ang mask ug kaon? Unsa man? Istoryahay ko. Nganong naahugaw man ang mask gani? Kay?
Because I don't know.
Wala po. Kabalo ba kang di ko ganan ng I don't know nga answer, no?
Yeah,
Mm.
but you are telling me things. So I guess you say the word I don't know.
Say, I don't know. Nga wa makakabalo. Wala giday ka sa eskwelahan di ay. Ha? Wala ka sa eskwelahan? Asa man day ka di ay?
I went to school.
I know. Pero ang pangutan nga nung hugaw imong kuko.
Probably when I was eating this.
Kaya nga no, gibutangan nimo nagkanang chocolate imong kuko?
I don't know, but I got it on my hand. But I licked it off.
Gilik nimo? Ha? Nahugas ka gamot dito.
But you're gonna get mad at me.
Ano magmad-mad man ko?
Because you're saying, why did you go? But I went to school.
I know you went to school. But you keep saying, I don't know, I don't know. See, I don't know. You have to think about your answer other than I don't know. Kaya di ko ganahan ng I don't know. No.
Maybe that's my new answer.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe it's my new answer.
Sure ba?
Now it is my new answer.
So may katawanan, anak, day.
And if you get tired of that, I'm going back to I don't know.
Oh, sino po? I don't know. I don't know. Nalibang ka? I don't know. Nangihi ka? I don't know. Is that what you want? Si katawanan. I don't know.
I don't know,
I don't
Mommy.
know, mommy. I don't know. Kelsey, nang brush na ka, I don't know. Kelsey, sakit imong tiyan, I don't know.
Mommy.
I don't know.
Mommy.
I don't know.
Mommy.
I don't know. Oh,
Okay, then you don't know.
yes. You don't know?
Then I'm gonna say the word I don't know.
Well, keep saying that then.
And then you can spank me.
Tawagon na ako mong uyab. Oh, ganun. So, tinuod kay nga hilak-hilak magka. Kung di ka tinuod, dili ka magkuan, overreact. Oh, di ba? Mingo na kang mami, wala mo ko'y uyab, noon sa day ka, mami.
No.
Oh, wala gani nga. Ano mahilak man ka? Because, katinood. Look at your face. You look like you're guilty. What did that boy says again? No, are you classmate with him? Ano? Classmate paghapon mo?
Mommy.
Oh, classmate paghapon mo?
I don't. I'm sorry, Mommy.
No.
I'm sorry.
Did I hurt your lips?
No,
But are you still classmate with him?
I don't know.
I don't know na pod Kelsey. Di ba ingon ko nga dili magsig I don't know?
I mean, maybe.
Your classmate with letter... Should I mention it? Ah, dili. Wala.
What?
Oh, wait. You look so guilty, Kelsey. Huh?
That's a what?
Letter...
What?
Maulaw man kayo. Di na lang ko. Dili na lang na ako i-mention. So, I don't know, di ba? I-mention ako na yung pangalan sa ibang...
I don't know.
Oh, si letter... Si uyab ni mo?
What? I don't have one, Mommy. I told you. I don't have one. I told you. I don't have one.
I know, you don't have one. Pero sige, pangalan nato niya gani. Katong gusto
I
makig...
don't know.
Kanang gusto tapos sa huwag lingkuranan. Isa pangalan nato niya.
I don't know.
Ah, I know.
I don't know.
I know the name. Should I mention it?
Mommy,
You don't have one.
I don't have one.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
I don't have
Say...
Be quiet. I don't have one. I don't have one.
Naamang good.
I don't
Ano
have
mo gito
one.
sa mo hagan? Ano mo gito sa mo kasi na can I sit beside you? Yes.
I don't have one. I don't.
Na,
I
oy.
don't have one.
Ang pangalan niya kay si...
I don't have one. I don't.
Yun ang maulaw mo ka, di man tinuod. Di ba? Yan, di man tinuod. Oo. Yan, di man tinuod. So, nga nung magkuhan man ka, nga nung mag-defensive man ka, di man tinuod. Yes. Dili man tikuan. Kuan naman to siya, nang gusto naman siya makigtapad ni mo, di ba? Anak kasi ako, nga. He wants to sit beside you.
What? Huh?
Hindi, ano, eh. Hindi kayo
I
nandang
don't
ka.
have. I'm not gonna stop saying this now. I don't have one. 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 I don't have one.
Recap na to, recap. Pangalan niya kasi...
Do you want me to sing louder?
I don't care.
I don't have one.
Pangalan niya kay si kung Auntie.
I